Me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady, and I wanna show her that this love will last forever.
Okay, so in this vlog, I'm gonna be showing y'all like my daily, I'm not gonna say it's a routine because I do something different every day, but I'm gonna just take y'all around my house because of social distancing and all that stuff, and I'm gonna, like, you know, tell y'all the stuff, some of the stuff that I have to do. So I have a test at 12:40 p.m. today, and it's currently 21 a.m. So I woke up kind of early so I can like go over the concepts that I didn't understand, because I have a chemistry test. And like, I'm just so glad that my professor put out the Zoom lectures, because I was about to like cry. Like, I had come to the realization that I was about to fail this test. So I have been working on some of the concepts last night. I stayed up to like 12 something, and then I got up at about 8 o'clock. I got up, brushed my teeth. Yeah, so I have all my stuff. I have all my stuff set out. I really don't feel like going to the dining room table today, at least right now, because it's so early. Like, I don't feel like getting up, putting all my stuff together and going to the dining room table. I'll go to the table when I take my test, but as of right now, I'm just going over the lectures and learning how to do all the stuff from my bed. So as far as what I have to do today, I have to take a test, and I have some like little intro to theater assignments that I have to do, which I'm okay. Like, as far as like the transition between like in class to remote, like that class was already a web assisted class, so like all she had to do was like record some plays and put them on D2L, and then I'm gonna film a fake washing up video. That's why my hair look like this. So I have some stuff to do. It's almost 8:30, so I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna start trying to learn these concepts.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I'm finally done trying to learn how to do all this stuff. It's right at about to be like 10:35. I'm gonna give me something to eat and take a break, and then really just practice some of this stuff because I did just learn how to do it. To be honest, like, this class is about to like beat me down. So really, I'm really just trying to learn how to do this stuff for this test. The Try Guys just uploaded. Well, it's not on here, but the Try Guys just uploaded. So I'm gonna have me some entertainment as a break, and then I'm gonna practice some more problems and pray that I pass this test. Okay, so here's my breakfast. My mom had already cooked some grits and bacon like 2 days ago. And as you can see, I already cooked my eggs. And I don't know if this is a southern thing. Leave a comment down below. But do y'all mix y'all eggs with y'all grits? Like, I love to mix my eggs with my grits. And if I have sausage, I'll break it up in pieces and put it in there. So I already watched some of my Try Guys episode while I was cooking. I'm eating it in my room because my dad is working from home, and he's in the kitchen, and I like to watch stuff and have it like turned up really, really loud. So I'm gonna eat in my room so I can have my stuff turned up really, really loud so I don't disturb him.
Becky? Where did you get it from the kitchen? Seems odd. Yeah, nice.
Okay, so it is now 12:38 and I'm about to sign in. Well, not sign in because I'm already signed in, but I'm about to take my test. Like, I'm about to, I'm so scared, y'all. I'm about to like shit my pants. I'm about to like shit my pants. I'm so scared because I didn't understand this stuff before and I kind of understand it now, but I don't know, maybe I'm psyching myself out. So I'm just gonna try my best. I'm aiming for a C. So I'm gonna say a little prayer and then I'm gonna take my test. Or 133. And I'm finished taking my test. Like, y'all, I was so nervous, but I feel like I got a good percentage of them right, and he curves them to where like normally a C would be a B and like a D would be a C. So I'm hoping for the best. Normally grades update automatically and I forgot how it goes. Normally I see a little orange dot next to the bell, but I'm praying for a good grade because I basically crammed for 2 days in a row. So yeah, I'm gonna update y'all on that grade if it was good. 2:12, 2:15. And before I film, I just want to show y'all what I was about to eat because it's been a few hours. So this is salmon with some mango chutney. Shout out to my mama for all this. And some potatoes smothered in barbecue sauce and some corn. Then I have this little healthy brownie kind of thing, and it's like, it's only like 200 calories. Since I'm not working out, I'm at least trying to watch what I eat, so I don't like, I'm not snacking as much as I did. So I got my water too, and then Bailey Sarian also uploaded, so I'm gonna watch me some Bailey Sarian Murder Mystery Makeup Monday. So excited. I love when she uploads.
I feel weird with earrings. This fire seemed like random and they thought it was a little, I don't know, a little fishy. The insurance officials, they decided to investigate and find what the cause of the fire was. While insurance officials were looking for...
Shower before I film. So like with this whole like staying at home thing, I don't like, I take a shower every day, but it's not at the same time every day. I take a shower like as soon as I get up, and other days I'll take a shower later on that day. But I do take a shower, and some days I'll take a shower at night. Just as long as I make sure I take a shower every day, no matter what time, I just make sure that I'm clean. Like, I don't take a shower twice a day like I used to because I'm not going anywhere, but you know, I still make sure I wash my ass. So I just got out the shower and don't mind my hair. It's about to get fixed when I film this video. But now I'm just about to lotion up, grease up, put my clothes on. About to put my clothes on and set up my film equipment, put my contacts in, and start filming my video. Oh, y'all cute. I'm cute. So I'm finished with my shingo video, and I think I'm gonna edit it. I don't know. I got some intro to theater work due today. But other than that, I really don't have anything else to do. So I think I'm gonna just chill. I mean, that's all I can do. But I'm gonna just chill, do my intro to theater work, and watch some American Horror Story probably. 2. Oh yeah, I had to put my hair up because when it starts getting hot outside, my house, especially my room, this one room gets so humid, and then my hair is just gonna shrink anyway. So I just put my hair up. It's still cute though. Y'all, I was about to do the little squirt thing, and I just squirted myself in the eye. It doesn't look bad, but my lashes are wet, and I got some tap water. Then I got some tap water on my eyeball, and I heard that you're not supposed to use tap water for your contacts, and I'm so freaking like, I'm so scary about stuff like that because tap water has stuff in it that contact solution doesn't. So yeah, I'm gonna take this whole face off because I don't want to lose my sight because of some bacteria. But I'm gonna still rinse my wig off first. Okay, so it's like 6:59, and after I took that makeup off and I took my contacts out, I think I'm gonna take a nap. Just because I got up early this morning. I don't normally get up that early. So yeah, I'm gonna take me a nap. My nap, and I'm about to do my intro to theater work, which I should have done a long time ago, but I didn't, so I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so it's about 11:08, and like around this time I try not to like do any work. It was really my fault for like taking a nap before I do my work, but yeah, I try not to do any work between like after 8 o'clock, just because that's like my me time after I've been doing stuff for my channel and doing homework and studying. So yeah, today was an exception because I decided to take a nap. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I don't really vlog that much, but I just felt like I could take this opportunity because I have time now. So if you want more vlogs like this, you know, like this video, and I'm gonna be watching American Horror Story. I know I'm late, but I'm gonna be watching American Horror Story until I fall asleep, which is probably gonna be around like 12:30 because I don't like staying up real late. But also I think I might end up waking up at like 8 o'clock because I did get a lot of things done. I got my intro to theater work done. I studied for my test, took my test, and filmed the video. So that's really good. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. So like I said, if y'all enjoyed this vlog, like this video, and I'm gonna be coming to y'all with more vlogs and stuff. And after this is over, I'm hoping it's soon, after all this is over, I'll be doing more vlogs because I am going to be graduating next year. So I'm going to be coming with a lot of like post-grad content and all that good stuff. So So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.